What is indefinite integral of 3x squared plus 6x minus 4 divided by x by dx? Usually, we have some additional info about function f of x. In our case, f of x belongs to real numbers and is integrable in that domain. From symbol dx, we know that differential of variable x indicates that the variable of integration is x. First, let's rewrite our equation to get three separate ones. We've got 3x squared divided by x plus 6x divided by x minus 4 divided by x. So we've got 3x plus 6 minus 4 divided by x as our integrand. Now, we want to take advantage of the formula which says in short that integral of sum of functions equals sum of separate integrals of each of those functions. Then, we can rewrite our equation as integral of 3x by dx plus integral of 6 by dx plus integral of minus 4 divided by x by dx. Then, we can apply formula which says integral of constant a multiplied by variable s by ds equals constant a multiplied by integral of variable s by ds. In our case, we will apply it to each integral. First, s is x and a is 3. And we've got 3 multiplied by integral of x by dx. Next, s is x raised to 0 or just 1 and a is 6. And we've got 6 multiplied by integral of dx. Finally, s is 1 divided by x and a is minus 4. And we've got minus 4 multiplied by integral of 1 divided by x by dx. Now it is time to solve each of our integral. To do so, we will use different formula for each integral. For the first one, we take advantage of formula which says integral of s raised to n by ds equals s raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. We also must add constant c to make sure that we have all our solution taken into account, as our solution make whole class of functions, not a single one. In our case of first integral, in our equation, s is x and n is 1, and we've got 3 multiplied by x raised to 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. Second integral, we will solve knowing that integral of ds equals s plus constant c. In our case, s is x and we've got 6 multiplied by x in result. To the last integral, we can apply formula which says integral of 1 divided by s by ds equals natural logarithm of absolute value of s plus constant c. In our case, s is x and we've got minus 4 multiplied by natural logarithm of absolute value of x. And now we add constant c to our whole equation. In result, after smoothing, the solution is 3 seconds multiplied by x squared plus 6x minus 4 natural logarithms of absolute value of x plus constant c. Finally, indefinite integral of 3x squared plus 6x minus 4 divided by x by dx is equal to 3 seconds multiplied by x squared plus 6x minus 4 natural logarithms of absolute value of x plus constant c. If you have any questions, just write them down in comments section below. If you want to see more our videos, don't forget to subscribe.